are just all getting ready. I'm Payal and welcome on Filmy Panchayat. Well, आज का एपिसोड बहुत ही मज़ेदार होने वाला है. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज छोटी सी गर्ली पंचायत होने वाली है. वैसे तो हम फिल्में देखते हैं बट यू नो इट्स सो मच फन व्हेन यू आर वाचिंग द फिल्म विद योर ओन गर्ल्स. वेल, लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस यू माय फ्रेंड्स जूही एंड अवनी.
हाय
हाय एवरीवन. हमारी इस रिव्यू पार्टी में आप सभी का स्वागत है. एंड वेल वी हैव जस्ट फिनिश्ड वॉचिंग दिस फिल्म. वैसे जब हम मिले तो वी वर प्लानिंग टू वॉच गुलाबो सिताबो, बट यू नो व्हेन गर्ल्स मीट व्हाट हैपेंड. सो देन अवनी केम अप विद दिस आइडिया ऑफ वॉचिंग दिस फिल्म 365 days. Well, originally it's a Polish film and it's called 365 DNI. Avni, I know it's the most trending show on Netflix right now, but please tell us that why did we decide to watch this film? Girls, please.
You want me to be diplomatic? You want me to give an honest answer?
Honest.
So when we saw the promo, it looks something very different, okay? The promo does not do justice to the film. It is nothing even close to the entire film is like. So when we started doing some Google research, thank you Google Baba, to know कि अगर ये movie 2 घंटे बिगाड़ने लायक है भी कि नहीं. I saw this remark that said if you thought 50 Shades of Grey was something, this movie is बाप. तो मुझे लगा यार बाप को तो मिलना पड़ेगा. So let's give it a shot. And
actually,
you should know why we watch this movie because this person is the biggest influence. Do you wanna say why we watched this movie?
Yeah, I know why I watched the movie. Is for this.
Mossimo.
And guys, I'm not kidding. She's gone to another level. She was currently googling his wife, so you know the kind of level कितना आगे बढ़ चुकी है.
Are you
And
serious,
he has
Juhi?
2 kids. He has 2 kids. And he says nothing else matters. Nobody else matters.
Well, Juhi, you know, after this film, he has crossed 3 million followers. So even I started following him like just recently. I think you started following him.
Seriously, girls.
Yeah.
I mean, he's the most chauvinist character you will come across. How can you fall for him?
I think यार लड़का तो बहुत ज़्यादा hot था यार. Very hot.
Yeah.
Okay, so apart from the hot ladka, what was your takeaway from the film that you know you really loved about the film? One thing that you really loved about the film?
Loved about the film.
Yes. And don't tell me the hot ladka. We already heard it enough, right?
Okay. Apart from the hot ladka, what I really liked was I think exotic locations.
Yeah, the mansion, man.
And the clothes.
Glamour.
Laura's clothes were really good. Yeah.
Yes,
I
the
mean, I was going to
fashion-
steal her wardrobe.
Yes, I
Yeah,
agree
especially
to that.
the red dress. Actually, it was the red dress from the promo that made me watch the movie also. And the guy as well.
Yeah, the red dress was stunning. It is a perfect for a third date dress, guys. Refer to the promo if you know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Well, Avni, what did you like?
So yeah, I agree to it. Locations are amazing. मतलब यार kidnapping भी हुआ तो कौन सी जगह पे you can't complain. मतलब बॉलीवुड में kidnapping होगा तो आलिया भट्ट को ट्रक के पीछे डाल दिया, हाईवे पे ले गए. And look at this यार, kidnapping करो तो कुछ ऐसा करो यार, तो हम भी you know. Oh God, I think this is a perfect place to be in a lockdown, to get kidnapped, to get stranded.
And she got to live a Cinderella's life.
Well, guys, coming
that
to
movie.
kidnapping, we haven't told you that exactly what the story is. The story is basically there is this gangster millionaire, okay? और वो एक लड़की को किडनैप कर लेता है and he gives her 365 days to fall in love with her. Now, is this a Stockholm syndrome or she actually falls in love? Well, वो तो आपको फिल्म देखने के बाद ही पता चलेगा.
Well,
I don't know about the girl, but these girls did not even take 365 seconds to fall in love with the guy. So you know.
yeah. I mean, if
Okay,
I
shut
had
down.
that boring boyfriend in life, and if I had this kidnapper, I would just take 365 nanoseconds to fall in love with him.
Yeah, the guy.
And the movie ends right there.
The guy who uses words like, how can you disobey me? I am not used to taking no for an answer, and yet you have fans in you. Brilliant.
And at the same time, he's so hot.
Juhi, are you still checking out that guy? I mean, this girl is like seriously. Oh my god. Well, coming back to the film, guys. Well, I think we also liked the chemistry between the two actors. Do we agree?
Yeah, that was some crackling
Yes.
chemistry between the leads. I mean, you could see, you know, you could actually feel that there was some intense chemistry happening there.
I think even sets the mood right. I think the scenes were, a lot of people are talking that the film is very similar to 50 Shades of Grey, and well, yes, the story is very close to 50 Shades of Grey, but this one is a little better. I think it does set the mood.
So I'm someone who's not watched 50 Shades of Grey, so I don't have any reference for comparison. But it certainly didn't look like the scenes were forced. I mean, you could see how the chemistry was building up. Even all the overdose of lovemaking scenes that you would have read much about. But I feel it was somewhere taken care of, because that thing actually came down very well, and people could relate कि okay नहीं, this is possible. ऐसे नहीं कि दिखाने के लिए बस दिखा दिया था. So that is one thing I think was there.
I totally agree to that, but what I did not like and what could have been better is I think there is some serious lack of love and romance in the film. I wish there was a little bit of more love and romance, because I think the entire film, the agenda of the film is erotica. And well, if you're looking for just lust, then well, this is perfect for you. Why it is the #1 trending show on Netflix right now? Because the poster is very hot and sexy, and let's be honest, sex sells.
Yeah, well, sex sells, but them both teasing in the movie was like a foreplay for them.
A 2-hour long foreplay. I mean, it went too long. Did you feel so?
Yes, I agree to that, and I think at times it got really boring, and we were just looking at each other, and sometimes we even laughed at it.
But I think it was more lust driven. Love became a very small. Although they said that I'm giving you 365 days to fall in love, but what it meant was I'm giving you 365 days to give in, which she actually did much earlier.
Yeah.
I just gave in a spoiler alert.
Well, I really did not like that there was no romance and love in the film. Well, Avni, do you have to say something?
So the bigger concern for me was that how this was actually a very chauvinist side of the guy was glorified to another level. Like that particular scene really made me cringe when he calls her, "Oh, why are you dressed up like a whore?" I'm like, hello, that dress was too hot. I mean, how could he just call her a whore?
Yeah, I mean, it was something that Beyonce would wear. Right? He did not like it. I loved it.
Exactly. It was just too hot for him to handle that. And there's a lot being said about it. So what did you girls personally feel about the ending? Was it settling enough, or was it...
Well, first of all, I was very happy that the film was over. But apart from that, I think at the end leaves you, hanging. I mean, I think it's very open that there could be a sequel to this. Because we don't really know that what exactly has happened, because we have not seen it with our own eyes.
So Juhi, what do you feel about it? What do you think about the ending part?
Oh, well, to be honest, I feel the girl may just come back like Mihir did in Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi.
That makes me wonder, since you got this thing, what if this film was remade in Bollywood?
It's quite brain teasing, but मुझे लगता है राम गोपाल वर्मा ये फिल्म जरूर बना सकते हैं. वैसे ही आई थिंक ही इज लॉस्ट इट, इज मेकिंग फिल्म्स लाइक क्लाइमैक्स और नेकेड, और पता नहीं राम गोपाल वर्मा आजकल क्या कर रहे हैं.
I think Aditya Roy Kapoor can be good.
How about Hrithik Roshan? I think maybe some model can do it better than any other Bollywood actor.
No, but there's a lot of acting also. The persona should come out, and I don't think model will be able to pull it off. So I think you need a strong character. But yes, having said that, someone younger.
Ranveer Singh. I think.
Yeah, I think he would totally pull it off, because he actually owns every role he does. I'm sure he can.
Yeah, he could portray. I think he has a very hot, sexy body also, and he can be wicked also.
Who would you think will make the perfect Bollywood Laura?
Laura would be.
I think Kareena Kapoor 4 years back.
4 years back?
Which movie?
Because Kareena has Taimur tucked along with her nowadays, so it's like I can imagine Kareena as a mother now. But 4 years back, Kareena, I can imagine her as
4
Laura.
years back की Kareena की बात
Kareena from Kambaktish.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe the wardrobe matches that. But I think even an Alia Bhatt could really pull off the role well.
So guys, आप भी बताइए कि अगर ये इसकी बॉलीवुड फिल्म बनेगी तो आपको क्या लगता है कि कौन एक्टर्स होने चाहिए? आई थिंक यू कैन लीव इन योर कमेंट्स बिलो दैट हु डू यू थिंक कैन एक्ट इन दिस फिल्म.
I mean, if you don't have anything else better to do, you might give it a shot. But personally, I think you can totally give it a miss. Rather make a paneer bhurji or do a self-care Sunday. Yaar, your time is precious.
Well, I think you must invest your time. Watch this movie if you like style, steamy scenes, and a slayer of a guy.
Well, do I recommend this film? Well, personally, no, you could skip it. But I think it's not that bad if your partner wants to watch it or if your boyfriend wants to watch it. Well, definitely you cannot watch this in front of your parents because of a lot of nudity and a lot of sexual scenes in the film. Like I said before also, if you're looking for just erotica, then well, yes, you could try watching it. Well, I think there's something that I liked about the film, and that is this one dialogue. Are you lost, baby girl?
Whether you should watch this film or not, well, you can totally skip it unless you were made to watch it on a gunpoint and someone said you have exactly 365 minutes to fall in love with this film. And I still doubt if you'll be able to say you love the film even to save your life. So that, I think, says it all.
No, don't listen to her. You should definitely watch this movie if you're a sucker for style, a slayer of a guy, a fab song, and some steamy scenes.
Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed this review party. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ हमें बताइए कि आप अगले हफ्ते कौन सी फिल्म का रिव्यू देखना पसंद करेंगे या फिर हम तो आपको रिकमेंडेशंस देते ही रहेंगे. बट दिस गर्ल गैंग, मी, जूही एंड अवनी, आई थिंक अगर आपको मज़ा आया हो तो आप अपने कमेंट्स डाल सकते हैं कि अभी आपको कौन सी फिल्म का रिव्यू देखना है.
So guys, don't forget to
Like, share and subscribe.
and press the bell icon.